Everyone knows the story, the divine wind, the kamikaze typhoons that smashed the Mongol fleets and saved Japan. But here's what nobody talks about: in 1274, the Mongols nearly won before any storm ever hit. And the only reason they didn't? A single night of chaos. Kublai Khan had already conquered China and Korea. Japan was next. In November 1274, his fleet landed at Hakata Bay, and the samurai were outmatched. The Mongols used gunpowder bombs, weapons the Japanese had never seen, and massed formations that shattered the traditional one-on-one duels the samurai expected. The defenders fell back. The beachhead was secured. The Mongols had won the day. But they didn't push inland. Instead, they returned to their ships for the night. Historians still debate why. Some say exhaustion, others say a cautious commander. Whatever the reason, it was fatal. That night, a storm rolled in. Not the legendary typhoon, but a squall violent enough to sink hundreds of ships and scatter the rest. When dawn broke, the invasion was over. The Mongols retreated. Japan declared victory, and the myth of the divine wind was born. But the truth is fragile. The famous typhoon that saved Japan? It only had to do its job because the Mongols had already stopped fighting. Without that one unexplained decision to pull back, the kamikaze might never have mattered at all.